guys, and be welcome to another inbox review on the channel. This time we have the M3A1 Half track produced by Hasegawa Hobby Kits. It is a 1x72 scale model representing the half track from the US Army. This is a nice tiny little model. As you guys can see, there's not much parts to it. So let's grab our trusty knife and open up. So we are created with 1, 2, 3 screws, one set of rubber tracks, and one set of decals. First impressions, looks good. Plastic looks sharp, looks very well molded, but let's now see in detail. So in here we have the sides. There's no flash. The tools are molded within the kit. There's a bit of flash there, but easily fixable. Around here there's some flash as well, but not a significant amount. This is, I believe, is the seats and the back of the seats, which look good. There's a bit of flash on here on the rear of the truck, but again, nothing too much for this. Moving on, we have the mud guards. Again, bit of flash, but nothing too serious. The chassis looks very well and sharp. There's not much to point it out. It's a bit of injector pin marks here and here, but these ones are going to be on the inside, so hardly noticeable. Wheels have a very good detail, as you guys can see, and headrests look good. Little jerry cans, they look good as well. So yeah, very promising kit, very promising kit. Figures, we have one driver with separated arm, one guy with a set of binoculars, and 3 guys sitting down. We have the 2 halves of the winch, a steering wheel, and what I'm assuming will be the gear shifter. We have the 2 hooks, the wheels for the tracks, and the rollers for the tracks as well. So this is in 2 parts, as you guys can see, and the wheels are in 2 parts as well. Front axle, bit of flash, disconnected there from the sprue, but all in all, looks fairly good. Bit of injector pins there, but nothing too serious. Tracks, they are rubbery, so we should super glue them closed. You have the 2 pins there that go on these 2 holes, and then we super glue them or melt the plastic, so either way. Decals, nothing much to say about them. They look fairly good, a bit on the thick side, but shouldn't be an issue on this build. So all in all, it's a very interesting little kit that we should be able to produce good results with it. I'll be building this one soon, so stay tuned on the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't done yet, so that you can get notifications, but this will be probably a 2-day build, and I will edit the video straight away. So kit wise, very good, looks sharp, looks good. Build wise, stay tuned, soon enough you're gonna find out. Thank you ever so much, have a good one, and I'll see you guys around.